Okay, the very last part of this is the maintenance. So we've gone through the pre-conditioning, the pre-shampoo treatment, the actual wash day, my quarterly protein treatment. This is now, I'm going to show you what I do every night or every day. This is my everyday routine. So for me, as you all know, castor oil and the olive oil, and it's in an applicator bottle on purpose, okay? This right here is just castor oil. It's just castor oil in this bottle. This one is a combination of castor oil and olive oil. And the reason is because I put the castor oil every couple of days directly on my scalp. Because I told you castor oil, and you'll see if you purchase it, it's a very, very, very heavy oil. So you don't want that heaviness on your hair. It's really going to weigh it down. So I use it right on my scalp. And that's why it's in an applicator bottle. So instead of using this, I just transfer the contents of this big bottle. I put it into one of my old Jamaican black castor oil bottles. I've always kept this bottle so I can use the applicator. So what I do is I go in and I go right on my scalp. That's why I need an applicator bottle. And I literally don't part. I just go like this. Right on my scalp. Just squeeze the bottle and I'm just going in my scalp. Just right on my scalp. And then I do the back. Right on my scalp. And then I'm like this. Just rubbing it all in so it is really in there on my scalp. Also, I use castor oil on my eyebrows. I use them on my eyelashes. Castor oil is just great for hair growth. So that's what I use on my scalp every couple of days. Straight castor oil. On my hair, I actually use the olive oil and the castor oil combination. And this is how I do it. So I take my paddle brush. I put extremely hot water, as hot as your tap water can get in your bathroom. Put hot water on here, because another thing that I've learned in my research with natural hair is oil on dry hair, it doesn't do anything. It is just oil on dry hair. And as we all know, we've probably been oiling our hair forever. We've been oiling our hair since we were kids. I mean, you know, decades. And we may not see growth. The thing that's missing is the moisture. That's what my daughter told me about her hair growth. That's what I started seeing in other YouTube videos. That's what I incorporate myself. And I don't use the spray bottle because I don't want my hair to revert back to getting curly when I get out the shower. I just want it to be moist, damp, but not drenched or anything. And I just found for me that putting the water directly on the brush and then brushing my hair and then putting some more and then brushing the back and then brushing is actually better for me. So before I put the oil on my scalp, I put as hot as it can get, as hot as it can get. You steam coming out of the sink. Put it on the brush and then brush my hair. I brush my hair, brush it all through, brush the back, brush it. So now my hair is damp. Then I take the olive oil and castor oil combination and I'm not gonna do it now. I literally drench my hair in it and then I just rub it in. And I do this at night, every 2 or 3 nights. I don't do it during the day because when I'm going to sleep, that's when all of this goodness is just saturating in there. And then the next day, it's not staining my clothes. It's not so wet. It's not whatever. And that's if I wear it out. Like I showed you in my videos, I never wear my hair. And the only reason my hair is out now is to just show you what the length is. I normally don't wear my hair out if I'm not going out of the house or something. So this is my routine at night. This is my routine at night. So I take that. I take this. This is my every 3 days. Okay, I don't do this every night because my hair is in a bun. And let me show you how I'll put my hair. So when it's in a bun, I twist it after I have the hair moisturized and I have the water on it, I have the oil, and you can literally see when I squeeze my hair like this, you can see the oil like coming out. That's how much oil is in my hair. Like I told you, I literally drench. I take it and I just drench it in there and just rub it in there. So it is truly, truly oiled. And then I wrap it in a bun, and then my hair does not come out for another 2 or 3 days. My hair does not come out. All I do is touch up the edges, but the back of my hair on a regular basis is only coming out to get re-moisturized and re-oiled, and then I put it back up, and I do that every single, no, not every single night. I do that like every 2 or 3 nights. Take my hair down, and when you take your hair down, and when you get that combination of water and oil, your hair it's like soft on a regular basis now. My hair is soft on a regular basis. It's never brittle. It's never hard. It's not straw like, and that's how my hair used to be. So that's what I do with my just oiling and keeping my hair hydrated in oil. This right here I'm about to tell you is going to give you all of your life, okay? This right here works. This is for men or women, okay? This right here. This is the Walmart brand for hair regrowth for women. This is the women's version. And this right here, this is a 3-month supply. You get for 20 bucks. Actually, less than 20 bucks, like $18, $19. You get 3 bottles in here. Okay, this is the one that I'm working on right now. This is my bottle. I've been using this. Let me tell you the story behind this, okay? When I started using this, when the directions are, you're supposed to use this twice a day. Once in the morning, once in the evening. I did that. And in less than 2 months, I had hair growing right here. Dark hair growing right here. Hair growing like right here. Like my hairline was coming to, like, you could see hair growing. The hair on my arms. Hair was just growing everywhere. And I was like, oh my God, you know, that's not what I was looking for. You know, I shared with you earlier, you know, I had issues with my edges. Let me just pull it back. Had issues with my hairline. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm not looking for all of that. So I had to stop using this. So the thing about this is when you stop using it, your hair goes right back to where it was. If you're having hair loss, it goes back. So you kind of, I guess, need this in your system on a regular basis for this to work all the time. So when I saw that my hair is now going back, I could see my hairline not being, you know, and I'm like, okay, that stuff was working. So for me, I use this once a night, and that's exactly the exact dosage that I need. I don't need this twice a day. I need this just one time at night, and I use this every single night. So this, along with everything else that I've shared with you, is one of the reasons why you can't see my scalp through my hair like you used to be able to, because my hair was so thin. You can't see my scalp anymore anywhere, and my hairline is just like to die for. My hairline is, yeah, my hairline is real good. So I'm going to show you the consistency of it. So this is a 1-month supply, but that's for using it twice a day. So this for me is a 2-month supply. So this is it right here. It has the consistency of water. And you just fill it to that line right there. And it tells you if you fill it up more, it's not going to do any more. Just fill it right to that line. The instructions tell you. And then you will apply it wherever you need it. So for me, I was applying it to my forehead, and I was applying it to the top of my head. I was applying it to my hairline, and I was applying it, and I guess that's where the hair growth started coming all through here. I had it right here, and I had hair growing here. I had it on my arms. The hair on my arms was there. I mean, I don't even know if you can see hair on my arms now, but you could see it. It was like dark hair. And so this stuff actually works. So what I use this now, I don't feel like I need to use it for my hairline. I'm just at the maintenance point now. So I just put it at the top of my hair. That's where I put it. And it's gonna feel like water, so it's gonna run. So just make sure as soon as you finish, it tells you in the instructions to wash your hands. You may not want, you know, hairy hands. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but it tells you to wash your hands if you're handling this stuff. So that is like one of the super benefits of minoxidil. That's what this is. This is minoxidil. It is the Walmart version, Equate. 20 bucks for a 3-month supply for most people, but for me, this is a 6-month supply because I only use this once a night. All right, so that's my nighttime treatment. That's what I do. So I showed you what I use every single night, and then what I use every 2 to 3 days to keep my hair hydrated and moisturized. And another benefit that I use is silk bonnet and silk scarf. And one of the things, if you don't have a silk scarf and you don't know what it does to your edges, then I'm going to inform you. You know, I don't have a perm anymore. So, you know, sometimes people's edges just aren't as slicked down naturally as they want them to be. So what I do is I use Cream of Nature, Perfect Edge Argan Oil. And I take a soft brush and I'll put a little bit of water on the brush just to make it easier to move this around on my scalp. So I'll put this in and I'll put this around my scalp, put this around my scalp. My hair is in a bun like I told you. And this is what you need to have at all times. My hair does not touch cotton or wool or any of that stuff anymore because if it's not silk on top of it, then I'm not putting anything on my hair other than silk. So what I'll do is I take the scarf, just imagine my hair in a bun, but I take the scarf and I put it directly on my edges, like right there, and not like right on it, because I feel like if it's like this, then the scarf shifting and all of that could like agitate it or whatever. So put it so you're literally covering it. So you're covering your edges. You tie your scarf up. Your hair is back. My hair would be in a bun, so my hair is back. Tie the scarf up, and then I'll put like the bonnet on top. And that's how I go to sleep. And that's how I'm chilling around the house, or I'm laying watching TV. And even my pillowcase, like I don't sleep on a regular pillowcase. All the pillowcases in the room match the you know, sheets, but my pillowcase, I have my own separate pillowcases, satin pillowcases, king size satin pillowcases on my bed. So if my hair isn't in the scarf, just the rubbing of my hair against the pillow, it's not abrasive. It's, you know, very slick, and my hair can just glide across the pillow. So that's the reason why I have satin, silk pillowcases, and I have satin bonnets. And even when I go out in the cold, if I got to put a hat on, this goes on first. I'm not putting wool directly on my hair because wool can, you know, break your hair off just because wool is too scratchy of a material. So I will put my bonnet on, and then I put my, you know, my hat on to go outside. That's how I do it. So the very, very last thing that I do for maintenance, I'm gonna keep my bonnet on for this because this is what I use. So just imagine my hair all wrapped up or whatever. I'm in the bed chilling, watching TV or something. I have this in my nightstand. This is a massaging apparatus. It's a massaging, and I think it's supposed to be for your skin because it has the heated element or the infrared light or LED light. And that's another thing I'm doing. I'm making an infrared sauna. I'm gonna turn a playroom in my basement into a fabulous body spa with a steamer, with a sauna, an infrared sauna, massage table. Like, that's gonna be another video that I'll post at another time. Just a whole body healing kind of room in my house. So anyway, this right here, I put right on my head, and I'll just be watching TV. And the reason why I keep my satin bonnet on when I'm using this is because when I didn't have a satin bonnet on, I was using this, my hair would get caught in the roller ball area here. Because this is actually, I think, is meant for your skin. So, you know, your body. And I use this for the top of my head. And I didn't want my hair would get caught in here. So it just glides across my Dollar Tree satin bonnet. It just glides and it feels so good. Oh my God. And this is just invigorating my scalp. So I will use this when I have the castor oil on my scalp, the olive oil in my hair. I even use this when I have that plastic bag on my hair, when I got the onion treatment in, but I can't really go in because I got, you know, sections already sectioned off, so I don't have like the whole area of my head like I do now. But oh my God, right now, this feels so good. Oh my God, this came from Amazon. This was like, I think it was like $5, $6. But so this is just when you chilling, just, you know, massage your scalp. Massage your scalp while you chilling. So I've just shared with you all of my tricks, everything that I've been doing for my hair for the past 3 years to get all this new hair. So, I know it was long too. I didn't mean it to be this long, but I hope it's informative. I hope I wasn't rambling and it was everything you needed to see. So now that I'm finished the video, this is what I look like all the time around my house. So just wanted to show you what it is on a regular basis. And that's what it is. All right, thank you all for watching. I hope this was beneficial. Thanks.